Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce Merry Christmas, how to say this phrase in Spanish. How do you go about saying it? Feliz. The letter Z or Z in Spanish is pronounced somewhat like the letters TH in English with your tongue between your teeth. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad is how you would say it in Spain. Feliz Navidad. In Spanish, in some areas of Spain, the D at the end of Navidad, which means Christmas, is pronounced also like TH. Navidad. Navidad. In some other areas, they might say it like a D. Navidad. Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Here are more videos on how to say Merry Christmas in different languages and how to pronounce more Spanish words that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. I'll see you there to learn more. Hasta luego.